There's a place where stones met bows to reignite the spirit of the rumba dance, to take Congo on a musical journey back to Zaire, to re-theme Protestants and indulge in remnants of the power music holds in our land. And that is what being an African means to me, to express ourselves, to present the future and the present based on the past.
To keep you satisfied.
Today, Pop-Up Africa takes you behind the scenes of Allegro Africa in concert, a live experience by DJ Allegro that brings together electronic music, live vocals, and a string ensemble in a celebration of African sound and imagination. Then we hit the street asking questions that connect us across borders, cultures, and generations. Tonight's question: what does being African mean to you? The Africa After Dark series explores what happens when the lights come on, the music starts, and Africa reveals another side of herself. In every episode, we'll step into a different After Dark experience, meeting the people, places, and performers shaping nightlife across the kingdom. Let's step inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, Allegro Africa here, and you know we are getting ready for the Allegro Africa in concert. But first, I want to introduce you to the peoples who are going to be in the band. Like you know, it's vocals, it's a band, full 4-piece band, and then there's also a string ensemble. So I'm going to introduce you to everyone. So let us start with this man over here. This one. Zoom into his eyes. Zoom into his eyes. Pat.
Yes.
Chilling with Pat is Balis. Hey.
Hello.
Do zoom into her as well. Oh, she's playing the upright bass. Wow, 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 wow. Come on. Second person on the vocals, Alberta. Hi, Alberta.
Hi.
Yeah, zoom in her as well. Hey, So, Monage Father's Day, Mudise on the lead guitar all the time. Every band has Mudise on, so you all just we're not surprised. We can move on. This is Tumisang, Paul, bass, Betele in the hizzy. Bachaya no dala Gauteng fan. Yes, ke out about Roger music, back end, sound system for today's rehearsal. The violin maestro, Sanele. What's her name? I feel like it's a nice Swazi Swati surname. Sanele whom?
Mhlabaz. Swati.
The person who is trying to put everything together is aka Tabi, aka Zipompi, aka yeah, that's the event organizer right there. So thank you for organizing this event for us. Yes, we promise to deliver.
My hope for this event, it's nothing but feeling good, enjoying the session, but most importantly, it's more about the culture. It's more about teaching people how we live, how we do things as Basotho or as the Black Nation.
Can you sing it?
You're playing the right notes. I'm just talking about the timing at the end.
Just sing it for me.
We are at a time, the world is hungry for Africa, and what we are working on right now is not just Africa, but it has a lot of other global elements. I'm hoping to see everybody dressed in their best African attire. Let's celebrate Africa together.
This is sweet, man. This whole setup is sweet. You know what I'm loving? What I'm really loving about this whole thing, Boga, this kind of thing has never been done, Karona. Like, setup where we have the whole, strings and band with the DJ. This is going to be insane.
Get your cues right. Quiet. Get it right.
So all of the songs are his songs. We're not playing anybody's songs. It's just his productions, which I'm happy about because he's got a whole entire rack of archived music that he's never been brave enough to put out into the world. That's what is exciting about it because he's showcasing himself truly, authentically.
Rehearsals are where every great performance begins. Behind these moments of focus lies the promise of something much bigger. Let's leave the rehearsal room and step into the show.
Hey, what's up, Pop Up TV? I'm on the stage. I am here at the Mantabiseng Convention Center in Maseru, and we are all about Allegro Africa. From here, we're going to the world and beyond. And I cannot wait also soon to share Bineri and so that's a topic for another day. Thank you to Pop Up for being here and for catching us in the middle of such a historic moment.
Excited to be here. Allegro in concert. This is my gear. As you can see here, from it's a gift from my friend Edward God Agbo, Cameroon. What's up, my guy?
I guess the theme Africa at night, it was actually so quite hard to find something that goes with it. So right now I have Siana Marena. Like, you can style this blanket however, as much as it is very cultural, I feel like you can still style it in a very elegant way, in a way that matches your vibe.
I think you kind of stole all of my points actually, because
I'm asking you that just for this performance, you understand that it is not us anymore. That's all I can say for now. We didn't even do sound check, but our faith will give us this performance.
Yes.
All right? So you follow the lead, you follow your vibe, you follow your soul. Pop Up TV, thank you so much for following the journey. Allegro Africa in concert, right here in Maseru. Peace!
Music has a remarkable way of bringing people together. But Africa isn't defined by one performance or one perspective. It's defined by its people. So we took our question beyond the concert hall and onto the streets. What does being African mean to you?
It means diversity. Being African means diversity. You wake up today, and it's the culture as well. There's so many different cultures, different languages, fashion. Oh my God, Africans are killing it in the fashion industry as well.
Like being exposed to diversity, be it languages, fashion.
The men as well, very yummy.
So for me, Africa is a free continent full of resources, full of opportunities, full of freedom. We are in pursuit of freedom, and that is what it means for me.
Oh, my favorite thing about being African is cooking with fire. Okay. Nothing but a good pizza, Spezzo's Pizza.
My favorite thing about being African is strong sense of identity, resilience and community. I think we carry deep culture and creativity.